Has this happened to you?
What the f?
Okay, but how many times has this happened to you?
Mommy, I want to bake a cake in my
Easy bake oven.
easy
Bake oven.
what? Mommy, I want to but the light bulb's blown out.
Damn it. I guess I have to change the damn bulb. Isn't there a child's toy oven that doesn't utilize dangerous light bulbs as its method of convection?
Well, now you can.
Who the hell are you?
And I've got a new toy so modern and fun that you'll say goodbye to that old-fashioned toy oven. Now, little Daisy, are you ready for your new toy oven of the future?
Shut up!
Are you ready for your new toy oven of the future?
Sure, mister.
Who's cleaning that up?
That's the spirit. It's Spishacks. Hey, it's ovens for kids.
No more light bulbs?
No more light bulbs.
No more light bulbs?
No more light bulbs.
No more light bulbs?
No! And just like Mommy's oven, because it runs on clean burning gas.
And it's a fact. Food cooked with natural gas doesn't have that strange electric taste.
I want to try.
Hold on there, little Daisy.
Yeah, hold on.
First, we have to hook it up.
Well, that sounds easy enough.
As easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Unhook your kitchen oven from the gas line. 2. Refasten the gas line to your Hey, It's Ovens for Kids oven gas knob.
I don't think it fits very well.
You're insane. And step 3. Just light the pilot light with Spishacks. My first matches included in the box. Daisy, don't you want to learn how to light a pilot light?
Okay.
Here, let me help.